Hussein. He's a seasoned CEO, CFO with over 20 years of experience in finance and fintech. He combines regulatory expertise with visionary leadership, known for his adaptive strategies and inclusive culture. Anvar excels in driving business transformation across the fintech, tourism, and entertainment sectors while fostering mentorship and team development. Let's welcome him on the stage, Mr. Anvar.
Thank you. I need the slider. The slider. Yeah.
This one backwards.
Masa al khair, good afternoon. How are you all? How are you? Great, good to see you. Thanks for coming. Great. My name is Anvar Hussain. Before we begin, can we play a quick game? How many are ready for a game? Everybody? Only few? Okay, the rule is like this. I'm going to play a ringtone and you need to find which brand. Okay, maybe model, which brand first. Let's begin. Yeah, ready? Let me highlight. Okay, it was very quick, right? How many of you used this phone before? Only few? Can somebody help me with the features, the best features of this phone? Snake game, wow, love it. Battery life, exactly. What else? Eh? Okay, anybody composed ringtone? You did? How many of you type fine instead of fine E? How many of you? Have you typed? Right. How many of you owned this phone before? Maybe 90s. How many of you owned? Yeah? Right. Can somebody say which model it is? Okay, right. Right. Wonderful. Back in 2000, I used this phone. It's one of my favorite phones. It has no camera, no selfie, no internet. One of the best phone I ever used. Those days, I think I slept well. Yeah, no reels, nothing. Right. Not only myself, including my family members, my friends, my boss, my relatives, everybody used this phone. That was the days, maybe good old days. How many of you use this phone now? Nobody? How many of you use this brand at least, Nokia? You use? Now, no? Okay, here's the thing. Why is such a phone loved by everybody, almost everybody used, and now nobody's using? Almost, none. Why? Why it happened? Technology change? Evolution, okay, all right. What else? Yes, please. Go ahead. iPhone came? All right, great. So what I'm hearing in comprise one word, change. Everything change. Right? There is something called change is constant, yeah? Everything change. Right. So I was thinking, what's happening with our Forex industry? So right now, how are we trading now? Which platform? MT5? How are you trading? Mobile, laptop? How you guys are trading? Yeah? So how long is going to be like this? What's going to change? Like a Nokia, like a BlackBerry, right? Things change, right? How long it's going to be? What new technology comes, new products? So I was thinking about it. I made some small research. I'll show you here. Let me share. All right, let's start with the first new technology. Right. Let's begin with something first. Exactly. AI-driven trading platforms. How many of you using AI in your day-to-day trading now? How many of you using? Yeah? Not most, but most of them started using it or hearing about it. Right. What is new here? In AI, there is something called natural language processing, which AI will analyze the market news data and give you the signal kind of thing. Is going to happen. And number two is interesting thing. How many of you lost money because of emotional trading? Like, impulsive trading. Exactly. So many hands I can see. Great. So A is going to be here like your mom on dinner table. Don't do this, don't do this. Exactly. It's going to control. It will going to detect your emotional trading pattern. If something which is not in order, it will go to ping you. Stop this. Go home or sleep or watch reels. It's going to come. Interesting, right? Move on to the next item. Exactly. Blockchain, integration, smart contract, and DeFi. Have anybody heard these terms before? Blockchain, yeah? DeFi? Yeah. All right, what is interesting things happening here with the blockchain integration? How many have had a problem with the brokers service issue? You had an issue, problems? This is going to take away. You don't need a broker. So you can access the product instrument directly. Yeah, you don't need a forex broker. Gennaro, let's stop this. It's not going to work out. And with the DeFi contract, you traders will access to the liquidity pool directly. This is also very dangerous. Let's stop this again. Yeah, right. Moving on to the next. Quantum computing. Okay. Have anybody heard about quantum computing? Yeah? In 2016, Google performed a calculation which the quantum computer did in 200 seconds, which normal supercomputer will take 10,000 years to go. From 200 seconds to 10,000 years. See how advanced it is, how it will be helpful for your day-to-day analysis, whatever you guys are doing is going to be very much helpful. Right, moving on to the next item. Exactly, virtual reality and augmented reality. How many of you love movies? Nobody love, only few? Nobody love movies? Everybody love movies, exactly. How are you trading right now? Again, laptop and mobile, right? How about Forex trading is like a movie. Imagine you are walking into a 3D room, okay? You see with the device, three-dimensional charts, analysis, price movement, everything you can see, complete kind of movie. And with your hand gestures, you do analysis, click buy, sell, or whatever you do is going to happen. VR is going to make it real. It's coming very soon. Very interesting, yeah? Very interesting like movie, but there is no songs, Bollywood dance, okay? Trading. Right, exactly. Super apps are coming. How many of you know, everybody knows Superman, right? Superman you have seen. How many of you seen Egyptian Spider-Man? Egyptian Spider-Man. Right, so those days are old now. Now it's a time for super apps. So what is super apps? This super app, you don't need a separate app. Maybe we have a 10, 15 app in our mobile right now. So we need just one app. This app will have a trading, banking, food delivery, transport, everything going to be one app. It's coming soon. There's a couple of apps released yesterday in Malaysia. You could check the news, which has revolutionized already. It's coming very, very soon. All right, moving on to the new instruments. So what are the instruments you are trading right now? Which instruments you're trading? Forex, currency, oil, gold? Okay, those days are old. New instruments are coming. What are they? Begin with CBDC. So this is currency based on blockchain technology. All right, but issued by central government. How many of you using crypto now? Everybody's using crypto? Nobody? Everybody using. So we have the regulation issue, right? With this, it's very simple because it's issued, controlled by central bank. So it's going to make our life easy. All right, game changer. Exactly, tokenized Forex product. This is another instruments coming soon. So with tokenized Forex products, it's a traditional currency, but tokenized the blockchain. So you will be able to have a tokenized Forex product in addition to the traditional one. Interesting, new instruments, new opportunities. Good? Exactly. So how many of you are aware about sustainable economics? Have you heard about it? Sustainable economics, green energy, global warming. So it's all about the country. So the country who has invested in green, sustainable economics, those country economy going to be very strong. So when you do analysis, check it, these countries are going to be performing well. This is coming soon. The next one is emerging markets, exactly. How many of you from Africa? Okay. Asia? All right, India, right, great. So these countries, African countries, Asian countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, if you go this side, Brazil, Nigeria, these countries are really doing good. The countries are getting stronger, so you are going to have a new products coming soon. Lot of interesting things, or new opportunities, new things to do. Right. So a lot of changes. Change is good or bad? Good? Bad? Shy? Right, so the biggest change is good, all right? The growth is never possible without the change. But at the same time, change is uncomfortable, right? Doing the same thing, but doing something instead of, we need to learn new things, adapt, but it's uncomfortable. But all the growth, all the things you are dreaming, everything is another side of comfort zone. Right? All the greatness, if you see the history, the greatness comes only because something has changed. Somebody has conquered their fear and achieved greatness. Right? So, ladies and gentlemen, it's my humble request to go ahead and explore your full potential, go out of comfort zone, whatever you see the screen now, learn it, do research about it, adopt in your day-to-day trading. But a couple of things, it's not coming very immediately. It may take some time, but the change is coming. It's inevitable. Without change, the rice will never be a nice biryani, right? Without change, MT5 is very boring, right? We need a change all the time. We love it. All right. Right. Thanks to DB Investing. Their booth is just there. Please meet them. They have a good team there. And this is my LinkedIn profile. Please connect. We'll continue our discussion. And special thanks to Sharif. He's the man. He walked with me in the streets of Dera to get this phone. It was very difficult, but he made it possible. And it's his idea to show the phone. You like the idea? Please thanks to Sharif. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the best. Lot of cryptocurrency, CBDC, lot of flus. All right? Thank you. Before I leave, any questions? Any question? Anybody? Do you guys want to know where did I buy it? All good? Thank you. Thank you.